Hey everyone, back with another video. As you guys saw in my last video, we made this really cool animation with the glassmorphism card and the background blur. So now I want to do something a little different, and I'm going to add a little button down here that when pressed, some icons pop up and this gets blurred as well. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is you're going to add, let me actually, let's do something like this. So the code that you guys have is something like this. Again, I apologize that it's really long, but I'm just trying to pump out this content so that you guys can understand it and learn. And then I'm also learning myself, so I'm learning about extensions and all this stuff and how to properly organize a file. So this is what you guys have. All right, so this is what we're gonna need to do. So everything's in a Z stack right now, but if I wanna put this circle button in the bottom right, I'm gonna have to do alignment, and it's gonna be bottom leading. And you're gonna see it's gonna put this card at the bottom, right? That's not what we want, okay? So what we want to do is we're gonna come in here and we're going to embed this into a V stack, okay? And we're going to find the bottom of this V stack, which if we fold, let's fold, we're going to then put this frame.height, .infinity on it, right? And what it'll do, it'll bring that card back to where we need it, right? So next what we have to do is we need to add a circle. No, we actually need a Z stack, and no, we don't need a Z stack. First, we're gonna add a V stack. No, we do need a Z stack. Sorry. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a circle in this Z stack with an image, and it's gonna be system name, and it's gonna be, I think it's plus, if I'm not mistaken. Plus, yes it is. Okay, and so we have this circle, and then what we're going to do is make this circle 44 by 44. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a foreground color of dot white, and it's going to have an opacity of 0.65. Oh god. What just happened? Okay. And why is that over there? Oh, that's why. Duh, not leading. Bottom trailing. So now we're over there. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to embed this into another Z stack. Okay? And this is the parent Z stack. So we're going to have a padding of dot trailing of trailing. Padding down, do 20. Okay, so now we're bumped out of there. Okay, so now what we need to do is I'm actually going to make this 54 by 54, and I'm actually going to make this just white. Okay. And so it stands out, okay? And then what we're gonna do is, so I'm gonna come in here and it's gonna be a plus icon. And floating. Okay, and then so we're gonna take the Z stack, come in here, do it one more time. I'm just gonna have 2 for now, and one's gonna be actually, yeah, so that's gonna be the front. So this means we're gonna need a, what's it, pencil, a pencil. Let's put that, and then let's just put a gear. And this is gonna be 44, 44, 44, and 44. And let's do blue, blue, okay? And I wonder if I can add a nice little like blur. Oh. Doesn't look terrible. Let's do 4. And let's add the same thing over here and over here. Oh, right here. Right here. Oh, no. Here. Here. And to start, there's going to be opacity of 0. And we're going to do the same thing here. Okay. And so we have our little blur plus button. And so this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to add a state var button. So button equals false. Okay. And what we're going to do after that is come down here, and we're going to add a, I believe, an on-tap gesture, and we're going to make button with animation button toggle, and let's do dot spring. Okay, so so that means let's do the offset y is button is -100, otherwise 0. And let's do button -1, let's do 200, otherwise 0. And then what we're going to do here is I'm going to come in here and let's do scale effect. And that's going to be button that 0.08, otherwise 1. This is going to be button otherwise plus, minus, and oh, right, the buttons 1, otherwise that, and I think this is going to be the same thing. Button, otherwise 1, that. So it's a zoom. Play. Okay, so this is only 50. Okay, So that's 50, and maybe we can do 75 here. And just because my computer's about to blow up, pause this. Okay, so 100, 120, and this is going to be 60, and wait. Okay. Maybe we can even add an offset here. Offset Y. Button. Let's move it 8. Let's move it 5. Otherwise 0. Alright, so now that we got that, what I want to do is I want to blur this, right? So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to do blur radius is button 100, otherwise 0. Here we go. Okay, so what we have here Okay, so before I play, what I wanted is I click this button and then that card gets blurred. My background animation's still playing, but the focus is on the buttons that have popped up, right? And honestly, I'm gonna make these just a little bigger. Honestly, make this 74. 74, 64, why does this keep happening? 64, 64, 6, and 6. And I'm actually going to comment this out while I test this, because I guarantee you okay, so it's going to be 80, and it's going to be 60. Now, okay, this looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is what's going to happen. My computer's going to lag, right? But you're going to see we have this really complex animation in the background. When I click this plus button in the bottom right, we're going to get this blur overlay. So you guys gotta let me know what you think. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's go ahead and play this. Right? Boom. It would be smoother if it would be a lot smoother if my computer could handle it. But this is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. You know, I wonder what would happen if we added something like this. Now, if we should be able to have a smoother animation here. And maybe this can be this way. Yeah, so if I go ahead and comment this out, this is what it looks like. I mean, that's really nice. And then that's it. So go ahead and comment this back. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, pick a card, any card. I'm gonna be uploading content around SwiftUI, coding SwiftUI, designing apps from scratch, building apps with no code, and obviously updating you on all the products that I'm currently working on and pushing. Those products are Clava X, which is a product that allows you to stream explicit content and get paid per minute from each viewer in your stream. Zozo, which is an iPhone keyboard app that allows you to create shortcuts for text, photos, documents, URLs, and have them all be accessible right from your keyboard on your phone, just one tap away. And lastly, I'm working on a secret project called JJ, which is a new product roadmap platform. If you're interested in something like that, please let me know, comment below. Happy to add you to the testing group. But thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.